just between you and I. I wanted to have the conversation publicly so people understand exactly where I come from when it comes to videotaping. I find it to be less transparent than you believe it is, because it really takes the closeness out of what we do and puts it people in the public eye who may not want to be in the public eye, and puts people in the public eye who have no business being in the public eye. And it will create something where, you know, we've talked about time limits. I don't like time limits. It's never been that way. One of the reasons we do our minutes the way we do our minutes, the verbatim minutes, that if somebody wants to come and see pretty much probably 85% of what's said is in those minutes. You miss some pieces determined not to put in because they may be adversarial in nature, that they're attacking someone else, whether it's a comment that's inappropriate for a meeting. But 85% of what's said at this meeting, in a meeting like tonight, probably 95%. Sometimes you miss something because that thing goes a little wacky. Sometimes you miss something because when it's typed, people do it so much. So that is where my position firmly has been, and it will be here if it's for another 8 months or another 4 years and 8 months. But I just have a real sense that we don't do a service to the community by putting on 3-minute limits, making it uncomfortable for them to speak, and putting people up who are here for the sole purpose of speaking to the camera, not speaking to the board. If you ever notice, when you watch the camera, how many people move to face the camera and not face the board? It's incredible. Even sometimes with your little camera there, I'll see people posturing themselves more to look at the board and speak to the camera and speak to the board. So I don't know whether the rest of the board has any comment.
Well, yeah, I deal with it on a regular basis.